Good morning. Today is April 30th, and this is the 33rd song in my series. And today I'm going to sing a really pretty song out of Canada called Four Strong Winds. It's written by a guy named Ian Tyson, and he was in the group Ian and Sylvia. And they had a pretty big record on this song in the 60s. A lot of people covered this song. The bass player from the original record of Four Strong Winds was the same bass player that I used on my first two albums. His name was Russell Sabakis. And that was pretty cool that we managed to get him for my albums. And I was kind of thinking, I was trying to wonder, I don't know why I said that. But anyway, before this virus, I was doing concerts in adult communities and senior communities, adult homes and senior communities. And of course, they stopped having entertainment during the virus. But I thought, what if they don't go back to have entertainment after the virus is over? What would I do? I thought, well, maybe I'd go to work at a mirror factory. I could see myself working there. That was a joke. I stole that joke from the internet. Sorry about that. I thought I'd tell a joke today. All right. Anyway, here's Four Strong Winds. Let's see if I can do this right anyway. Four strong winds that blow low, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go working for. But I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 800 times or more. Seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. And our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are going good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, and there ain't too much for you to do. And those winds, they sure blow cold way out there. Seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you tomorrow.